I'm Anupama Narayanpur from Residency School, Bangalore South. Today I'll be teaching you radio button, how to make use of radio buttons. So previous video we discussed about the checkboxes. Now there is a difference between checkboxes and radio buttons. Checkboxes will allow us to have the multiple selections, but while radio buttons will allow us to choose only one option. That's why it is called as mutually exclusive. So here I have taken radio button 1 and radio button. Just take this and you can drop this. Like this you can have, and same way you can edit the text also here. You can take whichever you want. You can choose, and then you can change the text name. Okay, you can choose like this, and then here each radio button will be having a variable name also, like J radio button 1, J radio button 2, like that. So now I need to change it. So I will take mail RB. RB stands for radio button. Same thing for this also. I will change the name uh, female RB. So I have changed the uh, properties name. Now here if I click on this again, I need to use the item state changed event. So you can go here and check item state changed event. Click here and then you can choose here, and you can select a label to display the message. Select a label and then clear the text first, and then change the variable name as whatever label. So you can change the thing. Now in source code, now I need to compare now. If mail rb dot is selected is selected is the same thing. How do we have the for radio checkboxes? The same thing. Here I will display a message set text, and then you can give the value like mail, and then this is how I will use the selected method here. Similarly, I can also go for male by female, and then I can just select the events and item state changed. Now the same thing here also, I can just take the same code here, and then you can choose here, you can make the changes here, and then here also. So now my two radio buttons are done. Now I'll show how it works now. You can just click Shift F6, you can press, and the program project will run. Now see, can you see this mail and this one? Both are selected. This is wrong actually, because radio buttons should allow us to have only one selection at a time. So in order to do that, not only dragging and dropping of the radio buttons, I need to call something called button group also. Just you put the button group, and then here in the properties you can select each radio button. There will be a name. By default name will be button group 1. You can also change the button group name, and same thing, both the buttons you need to put it in same group. This is how you need to make button group. You have to drag and drop, and each property you have to change the button group as same button group. Suppose if you wish to have more radio buttons of different kind, then you can put different radio buttons, and different next button, one more button group you can drag and drop, and also you can change the properties to that particular group. So whichever button group they belong, all the buttons, radio buttons, should have the same button group name. Now again I will run this program. You can see now male, and then you can see female. Can you see now It is both like mutually exclusive. This is how you need to make use of radio buttons in the program. Thank you.